Hello friends, welcome to Study a Lot. As you know, still no vaccine is developed against COVID-19 coronavirus. However, many other drugs like hydroxychloroquine and HIV drugs are being used for treat COVID-19 patient. Further, in this situation, DCGI Drug Controller General of India approved a new drug trial to reduce mortality rate of COVID-19 patient. So we will discuss about these drugs. So let's begin. The COVID-19 drug that was developed by the Cadila Pharmaceutical Limited, it is situated in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, along with Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, is to enter into trial. The clinical trial has been approved by the Drugs Controller General of India. These drugs is to be used reduce mortality rate of COVID-19 patient. So we will discuss what is the drugs. These drugs had been used to treat critically ill patient suffering from gram-negative bacterial sepsis. Now we will know what is the gram-negative bacterial sepsis. Gram-negative bacterial sepsis is a systematic disease that are caused by microorganisms. It is common in children with weak immune system. As you know, COVID-19 virus also affect human immune system. If a human has weak immune system, there is a lot of chance that human is affected by coronavirus COVID-19. Gram negative bacteria are those bacteria that have a strong membrane around their cell. Like coronavirus also has a strong protein layer around their cells. These make them much more difficult to treat. Sepsis is a life-threatening condition. Normally, human body release chemical into the blood stream to the fight an infection. When the chemical in the blood stream go out of balance, so sepsis occur, and in severe conditions, death has been incurred. So, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, through its flagship, this is the New Millennium Indian Technology Leadership Initiative Program, has been supporting Cadila Pharmaceutical Limited Ahmedabad since 2007 for developing a drug to save life of critically ill patient suffering from gram-negative sepsis. The entire development efforts has been supervised by CSIR appointed monitoring committee. This drug has been shown to reduce mortality rate of critical ill patient by more than half. It is a good news. It also lead to faster recovery of organ dysfunction seen in this condition. It is now approved for marketing in India, and it will be available commercial as Subsivac. This is the commercial name for this medicine from Cadila Pharmaceutical Limited. It is a pride for India because there is no other drug was approved in gram-negative sepsis for reducing mortality globally. But there is a question, why used for COVID-19? So here is the answer. Looking at similarities between clinical characteristics of patient suffering from COVID-19 and gram-negative sepsis, CSR is now initiating a randomized, blinding, two arms active comparator controlled clinical trial to evaluate the efficacy of the drug for reducing mortality in critically ill COVID-19 patient. It means This drug only given to critical ill COVID-19 patient, and the effect of this drugs has to monitor by CSIR. The Drugs Controller General of India has approved the trial, and it will start soon at multiple hospitals. So it is a good news against COVID-19 virus, and I hope it will a good medicine, and soon we will free from COVID-19 virus. So in this topic, this is, so meet new video in new topic.